Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about why you should not follow recipes entirely. First, why we look for recipes. When I'm working with something totally new, like a dripper I've never used, or a bag of coffee that cost way too much, what's the first thing I do? I look for a recipe, and not just any recipe. I want one that feels safe, reliable, and proven. Why we follow recipes? We follow coffee recipes for the same reason we follow maps. We don't want to get lost, especially when the beans are expensive, our gear is unfamiliar, or we are just trying not to waste a precious cup. Recipes give us baseline, a reference point, a sense of control. Why recipes fail, even the good ones? Let's say you're using a recipe from James Hoffman, or maybe Mikhail Jasin's AeroPress routine from the World Barista Championship. These are top-tier pros, so the results should be flawless, right? But somehow, your cup doesn't taste like magic. That's because these recipes are built for their context. It's not that the recipe is bad, it's that the environment changed. It's like copying a Michelin-star dish, but your stove, pan, and ingredients are all different. When a recipe doesn't work, it's not your fault, and it's not the recipe's fault either. So what to do instead? Treat recipes like scaffolding, not like a strict formula. They help you build your cup, but you should always be ready to tweak based on what you taste. If it tastes sour, your grind might be too coarse or your brew too fast. If it's bitter, you might be over-extracting. Grind coarser or pull faster. If it's flat, maybe you need a slightly higher dose or longer brew time. Track what you change. Every time you brew, take a second to note what changed. Bean, grind, time, taste. Over time, this builds your internal compass. Trust your taste. You don't need a coffee certificate to know what tastes good. If you like it, then it's good. No one's judging your pour-over at 7 a.m. but you. To summarize, yes, recipes are useful, but they are not perfect. Use them as a guide, then listen to your taste buds. Because the best recipe is the one you learn to adapt. I want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.